Hello everyone, my name is Jenny Carol Perez Villanueva. My code is 463801444. I'm going to talk about IELTS. IELTS are the acronyms of the International English Language Testing System. What is the purpose of the exam? This test assesses the English ability of non-native English speaker. The IELTS is used for the purpose of study, employment, and immigration in the English-speaking world. What kind of people can take this exam? IELTS is the most popular English language test that used for work, study, and immigration. It also recognized by over 10,000 organizations in 140 countries around the world. This exam takes for people for all age and backgrounds. What is the main goal of this exam? I think it is the test whose main goal is to assess the level of international English. That is to say that it has no preference for British or American English. What are the most significant characteristics of this exam? The most IELTS significant characteristics are has two versions. The first one or the first version is focused on academic English, and the second one is focused on professional English. Also, the highest score is 1.0, that is equality to C2, and is valid for 2 years from certification. What skills are evaluated throughout the exam? How are they evaluated? This exam evaluates your 4 skills: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. So the test has 4 sections. Speaker, that is an interview. The duration is 15 minutes. Listening have 4 sessions and has 40 questions, and you have 30 minutes. Reading, different for academic or general training, has 3 sections, 40 questions, and you have 60 minutes. And writing is different from academic or general training. Has 2 parts of writing, and you have 60 minutes to develop it. What scale is used to get the result? IELTS scores are reported as a band scores on a scale from 1, the lowest, to 9 or 9.0 is the highest. So you will be given a band score from 1 to 9 for each section test: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. Also, you'll be given an overall band score, which is the average of your 4 individual text section band scores. So the final question is, would you take that exam in the future? Why? Yes, I would like to take the IELTS exam because my family and I have plans to live abroad, to get better opportunities for our daughter and have a higher quality lifestyle. So the final, I want to say the IELTS exam is the best choice if you need to certificate your English level and if you want to live abroad, because it is recognized by over 10,000 institutions across 140 countries, including USA, UK, Australia, and Canada. So thank you so much. Bye.